Okay, go check. Okay, Mom, talk to it.
Hi, how are you? What are you doing?
Oh, he's drinking milk.
Oh, is that good?
Say something else, Mom.
Huh?
We'll give you somebody to talk to during the day. Yeah.
Ask him something. Ask him something.
I can't ask him.
Say a sentence.
Are you having a good time? You don't say.
Oh, Mom,
And
you're so funny.
then you can make it do this.
What's it do?
What's he doing? Moving?
Scratching the screen.
Oh, he is? Ooh, with his fingernails. Ew, oh, I don't like that. Bye.